For so many of us, that first cup of coffee in the morning, it's not just a drink, is it? It's a ritual. It's that quiet moment that helps you get your day started with a little bit of warmth, a little clarity. But let's be honest, you've probably heard all the warnings, right? The coffee's dehydrating or it's bad for you as you get older. So it brings up a really fair question, one that a lot of folks are asking. As you get older, do you really have to let go of this familiar habit, this thing you look forward to every single morning?
Well, I have some seriously good news for you. The answer is a big, resounding no. You don't have to quit your coffee at all. In fact, that very same morning cup, with just a few simple tweaks, can become one of your best allies for staying strong and energetic. So remember, we're not quitting, we are upgrading.
Okay, so here's our game plan. We're going to walk through exactly how to upgrade your coffee. We'll look at 4 powerhouse ingredients: MCT oil for pure fuel, collagen to rebuild, cinnamon for metabolic balance, and even some nut butter to fortify. Then we'll wrap it all up and see how this becomes a whole new ritual of strength. So let's start with the big picture. Before we can upgrade our coffee, we first need to know what we're really up against. And here's a little spoiler alert, it is not the coffee. The real enemy is something else entirely, a condition that affects millions as we age.
And that condition has a name: sarcopenia. It's just a medical term for the natural, age-related loss of muscle and strength. You know that feeling when your knees feel a bit weak or your legs just get tired way faster than they used to, or you just have this general fatigue you can't shake? Well, that's sarcopenia in action, and that is what we're going to fight with our upgraded coffee.
All right, our very first upgrade is MCT oil. I want you to think of this as high-octane fuel for your body. It's a way to directly ignite the energy right at the cellular level, inside the little power plants in your muscles.
And this isn't just some theory. You've got people like British actress Gemma Atkinson, who uses MCT oil in her coffee every single day to power her workouts and just get through a demanding schedule. If it can work for her high-energy life, imagine the kind of steady, clean energy it can give you.
So how does this stuff actually work? Well, MCTs, that's medium-chain triglycerides, are a special kind of fat. They bypass the usual digestive route and get turned directly into something called ketones. And ketones are just a super clean, efficient fuel for your muscles and your brain. A really cool 2020 study found that MCT oil actually helped slow down muscle degeneration in older adults by feeding those cellular power plants. It's like giving your body a premium alternative fuel source.
And using it is so simple. But listen, the key here is to start slow. Just begin with half a teaspoon in your coffee for the first week or so. Let your body get used to it. Then you can bump it up to a full teaspoon. It's practically tasteless and it blends right in, giving you that powerful energy boost without messing with the flavor of your favorite brew.
Okay, on to upgrade number 2, collagen. Now, if MCT oil is the fuel, think of collagen as the building blocks. This is the stuff that actually helps your body repair and rebuild its physical structure. We're talking muscles, tendons, and especially your joints.
You've probably heard that Jennifer Aniston is a huge fan. She makes collagen in her coffee a non-negotiable part of her day. And it's not just about looking good. She's been very open that it's crucial for her joints, for muscle recovery, and just for feeling strong as she gets older.
So why does this work so well? Well, collagen is literally the most abundant protein in our bodies. It's the glue that holds everything together: your muscles, your skin, your tendons. The problem is our natural production of it takes a nosedive as we age. So when you supplement with it, you're just giving your body the raw materials, the amino acids. It needs to repair itself. In fact, a 2015 study found that seniors who took collagen actually gained more lean muscle than those who didn't. Pretty amazing, right?
Getting it in your coffee is easy. Just dissolve 1 scoop of hydrolyzed collagen peptides. And that word hydrolyzed is important. It means it's already broken down so your body can absorb it easily right into your hot coffee. I promise it's completely flavorless, odorless. The real trick here is just being consistent. Give it at least 8 weeks and you'll really start to feel the difference in your strength and how your joints feel. Now for our 3rd upgrade, and it's something you almost certainly have in your kitchen right now: cinnamon. But don't let how common it is fool you. This humble spice is an absolute powerhouse for your metabolic health. which, as it turns out, is directly tied to keeping your muscles strong.
I mean, you have people like singer Kelly Clarkson who say adding cinnamon to her routine was a game changer for her metabolism and for supporting lean body mass. It's just a perfect example of how a tiny, simple habit can have a huge ripple effect on your body's entire system.
So what's the magic behind cinnamon? Well, a big, silent reason for muscle loss is something called insulin resistance. Think of it this way. When your body can't use insulin properly, it's like the door to your muscle cells is locked. Nutrients can't get in to provide fuel. Cinnamon basically helps unlock that door. It helps your body become more sensitive to insulin so it can shuttle all that good stuff, glucose and amino acids, right into your muscles where you need it. Okay, now this part is really, really important. Not all cinnamon is the same. You want to look specifically for Ceylon cinnamon. People call it true cinnamon. It's much milder and, most importantly, safer for you to use every day. The really common stuff you find everywhere, cassia cinnamon, has a compound in it called coumarin, which can be pretty tough on your liver if you have too much. So for this daily upgrade, Ceylon is 100% the way to go. And it couldn't be easier to use. Just stir about half a teaspoon of that good Ceylon cinnamon into your hot coffee. Mix it up well. It has this wonderful warm flavor and turns your morning cup into a little treat that's also doing amazing things for your metabolism. All right, our fourth and final upgrade might sound a little bit odd at first, but stick with me here because it is incredibly effective. We're talking about adding a spoonful of natural nut butter to your coffee. This is all about fortifying your body with healthy fats that do way more than just give you energy. Now, you might see younger stars doing this for steady energy, but the science behind this is especially powerful for us as we get older. Why? Because the healthy fats in nut butter are critical for supporting hormones that decline with age, hormones that are absolutely essential for keeping our muscle mass. Here's the most important part. These healthy fats help your body produce hormones like testosterone and DHEA, both of which are vital for maintaining muscle. On top of that, nut butters are packed with things like vitamin E and magnesium for muscle repair. And here's the best bonus. The fat actually slows down how fast you absorb the caffeine, so you get the smooth, long-lasting energy without the jitters or that awful afternoon crash. So how do you do it? Just stir 1 teaspoon of a natural, unsweetened nut butter into your coffee. The absolute key is to read the label. You want to find a brand where the only ingredient is the nuts. That's it. No added sugars, no weird oils. Almond butter is a great one to start with. You just stir it in, and it makes your coffee wonderfully rich and creamy. So let's just do a quick recap of our coffee upgrade toolkit. We've got MCT oil for that deep cellular energy. We have collagen for rebuilding our body's tissues, cinnamon for balancing our metabolism, and nut butter for crucial hormone support. Now, you don't have to use all of these at once. The big idea here is that staying strong after 60 isn't about some magic pill. It's about making small, smart, and consistent choices every single day. And that brings us right back to your morning ritual. You don't have to overhaul your entire life to feel stronger. You can just start with your coffee. You can turn that simple cup into a quiet daily ally for your muscles, your energy, and for the you of the future. So, I'll just leave you with this one question to think about. Your coffee is ready. What will you add tomorrow?